Hey guys, welcome back to Crust Kitchen, and today on Cookmas Day 7, we are making this Biscoff Cheesecake. So we're going to start off with a whole pack of Biscoff cookies, and we're going to crush them up because this is how we are going to make our crust. Once your cookies are crushed, you just pour in a little bit of melted butter, and we're going to make sure that it's well incorporated. Then pour your cookie mixture into a 9-inch springform pan. And you just want to press down on that, make sure it's all flat and even. And once you're done with that, we're going to set this in the refrigerator while we create our cheesecake. We are going in on 2 packages of our cream cheese. And we're going to go ahead and blend it up until it's nice and smooth. Also, I forgot to mention, make sure all of your ingredients are at room temp to make things easier to mix together. Once we got our cream cheese all nice and smooth, we're going to add in some powdered sugar, a little bit of vanilla, and a little bit of our Biscoff cookie butter. And don't worry, as always, I will have all of the ingredients and the exact measures in the description box below. So you just want to give everything a good mix and make sure you scrape the sides of your bowl to make sure we get everything incorporated. So in a separate bowl, we're going to take about, I think, 2 cups of whipping cream. And you want to make sure this is cold. This is the only ingredient that should be coming straight out of the refrigerator, because we're going to beat this on high until it stiffens up and becomes a peak. So you want this kind of consistency. You want it to be nice and thick. And don't worry, this process does take a while. So if it feels like it's taking forever, just keep going. It will thicken up and become a peak. So now that we've got our peak, we're going to take our cream cheese mixture and dump that into the whipped cream mixture. Or you can do it the other way around, doesn't matter. You just want to get both of the cream cheese and the whipping cream mixed together. So you just want to blend the two until they're nice and smooth, and make sure you scrape down your sides to make sure you get everything incorporated. So once everything is done, you just want to pull out our crust that was in the refrigerator and pour our cheesecake mixture on top of that. So this step is optional. I'm just melting some of that Biscoff cookie butter, and I am just going to decorate the top of my cheesecake. And I'm going in with a knife and swirling that around because I want to have like a marble effect, just so it can be nice and pretty and presentable. You don't have to do this. You can just set it in the refrigerator overnight. But this is what I decided to do. And of course, you want to go in with extra cookies on top. And then after that, you let that sit in the refrigerator overnight or for about 4 hours or so. And that is it. You have a nice Biscoff cookie cheesecake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on day 8.